Fixing Visa gift card not working online. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Visa gift card not working online. So sometimes you buy a Visa gift card and whenever you try to put it online, it does not work. So there could be several reasons. The first reason could be there is not enough money in it, so you just have to make sure if it has enough money. So the second problem, it could be you're putting some wrong details. Just make sure that if you are putting the right details. Now the third problem could be your gift card is not activated. So how can you activate it? In order to activate your Visa gift card, you need to look at the packaging. In the packaging, there must be a phone number or an email, their customer service. Now, on the number or their staff, call them or make them a mail and tell them that your Visa gift card is not working and act kindly to activate it, and then they will activate it for you. That's how you will be able to fix Visa gift card not working option online. That's all. Thanks for watching.